Hey guys, I received this E-YOOSO Z82 wireless mechanical keyboard for honest feedback. This keyboard is the perfect addition to your gaming or work setup. With its 75% compact layout and 81 keys, this keyboard gives you all the essential functions without taking up too much space. It features 3 connectivity modes: Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz wireless and wired, so you can easily switch between devices without any hassle. Enjoy a fully customizable RGB lighting experience. The dedicated control knob lets you adjust volume and settings on the fly. Plus, sound-absorbing pads and the PBT keycaps ensure every key press feels smooth and comfortable. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or need a reliable work keyboard, the E-YOOSO Z82 has you covered. Customize your workspace today with this beautiful keyboard. I definitely recommend it.